Ever wondered how it would feel to chat with an AI that understands and responds almost like a human? Welcome to the world of ChatGPT. Developed by OpenAI, this chatbot is changing the game in artificial intelligence. Now, let's dive into the mechanics of this fascinating technology. ChatGPT, a language model developed by OpenAI, is revolutionizing the way we interact with AI. Imagine having a conversation with a customer service representative who is not a human but an AI. Yes, that's ChatGPT for you. It understands your query, processes it, and delivers a response that's almost indistinguishable from a human's. Or consider a virtual assistant, more human-like than ever, making your digital life easier. ChatGPT is not just a chatbot, it's a sophisticated language model that understands and generates human-like text. So, how does ChatGPT manage to sound so human-like? The answer lies in its foundation. ChatGPT is built on machine learning, an AI technique that simulates human learning. It's like a virtual toddler, absorbing information from large data sets of human language, learning patterns, nuances, and even slang. The more it learns, the better it gets at understanding and generating human-like responses. It's a never-ending cycle of learning, improving, and adapting. The true beauty of ChatGPT lies in its ability to learn and evolve, just like us. With AI technology advancing at a rapid pace, the future of ChatGPT is bound to be exciting. Envision it revolutionizing industries with enhanced conversational capabilities. As we continue to push the boundaries of AI, who knows what conversations we'll be having with ChatGPT in the future? ChatGPT, a marvel of modern tech revolutionizing AI conversation. Remember, your next AI chat could be ChatGPT. Thanks for tuning in. Stay curious, stay innovative. Remember, the future of communication is in our hands.
Get our little bit.